That's your
Are you?
color. Let me get that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Here. Oh. Ah. Great color for you. Look at that. Look at that. So good.
Sit.
Call her name.
Sit.
Aiko.
Aiko,
Sit.
Very good.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Hey, you get a treat. Okay? Yeah.
She'll take it back. That's one thing. That's one thing. Chew it.
She's very good, you know what, finding her place. That's her safety. Well, her diet that's actually salmon. She could have a chicken, but getting
Her food next Friday.
well, her diet that's actually salmon. She could have a chicken, but getting
Her food next Friday.
How does it taste? She's looking at the camera. You're such a babe.
Very much easy.
Can you see that?
Otherwise, she started to take apart the blue.
She also likes the bloom.
That's why she will take apart.
It really stinks.
But that is
Speaking of branches, I'm gonna take 20-30 minutes off. And then I'm gonna change the tires.
Enjoying that,
For
aren't
both cars.
you? You're enjoying that, aren't you? Aw, you are just a baby.
Slackers, do you have?